What's up, guys? I'm back at the shop and I'm working on the truck this time. So for right now, I'm putting the hitch on the back of the truck. I already got it taken off because I didn't know what I was doing, so I didn't really want to record. But this is the old one. This is the actual hitch. So pretty much what I'm doing right now, pretty much you had to take apart the whole bumper. You take off the whole thing as one piece, and then you disassemble this, and then you take this, the covers off on the corners. It's not that bad. It's like you just need a 17 and a 12, and everything's pretty much taken apart. This is the only thing I was kind of scared of taking out because it's plastic and the clips, but everything came out fine. No issues so far. So I just got everything off the normal bumper and I got it on the hitch right now. I just gotta clean that off and bolt it down to the top here, and we should be good. Alright, so I got everything back bolted down on the actual hitch. So now it's time to throw it back in the truck. Kind of looks dope without a bumper, but definitely throwing this back on. So it's kind of a struggle taking this off because you have to lift it through these pins right here and then up and out. So we'll see how hard it is to do this because this is definitely heavier than that. So we'll get it going and see how this goes. This is gonna suck doing this by myself, but hopefully. Alright, so I got the hitch on and everything's torqued down and tight. The only issue I really had was there's two pins that go into the chassis that you have to line up, and it goes straight in and then it goes down. So that's the only thing I was having an issue with. What I advise if you do this and happen to have a Tacoma is I hit this right here with a hammer to let the pin seat. You could probably see it on that side. Probably see it right here. This pin right here has to go straight in and then down. And the way this goes in, since there's a, on this side, it's pretty much looped down. So it pretty much has to go in a slope in, and getting this in is kind of difficult. So once I sloped it in and the pin was lined up, I just hit it with a hammer right here, and until it bottomed out all the way back in the section, and then I let the jack down. And then I was just lining up these bolts, which I just used a pry bar in between here and the chassis, and lined them up. I didn't snug them down, but I just got the thread started, and then get these two done first, and then once those two are in, get the jack it from the hitch, and then try to maneuver this one in, because this is probably the hardest one to get lined up. I'd get the two in that are easily locked in and then mess with that one last. So everything's in, everything's tight, everything's plugged back in. Next thing I gotta do is coolers, and then also I gotta get the hitch, or the wiring for the hitch. So it wasn't bad. It was just I was struggling because I didn't know what to do. There's obviously no videos online about this, or at least for the OEM one, so I got that done. The only reason why I didn't want to go with the aftermarket one is because they're class 5s and this is a class 6 or something like that. So class 5 could tow up to like 3,500 pounds, and this one is like 68. So there's a kind of a huge difference, and I didn't want to gamble with another hitch, because the aftermarket hitches just bolt into the old thing that was the old brace that was in the back. So it's not really a hitch, it's just more like, literally it's an add-on. So since this is an actual hitch that bolts to the chassis and not to a brace, I feel like it's a lot more sturdy in the first place. and all the welds are actually like pretty good on this, especially since it's like OEM, so it should be good. So I'm glad that's done. Wasn't that bad. Just a little struggle. I wish I recorded a little bit more, but my camera started overheating, so couldn't really get that far as that goes, but that's done. I guess the next thing to do is the coolers, because I have all that stuff already. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna look at it and see what I gotta do and then go from there. I don't know if I showed y'all. I ordered tires last time I talked about it, but now I got them in. Got some Toyos. They're kind of nice. Louder than stock, obviously, but I really like how they look on the car. So, open countries, the AT3s, I think. So, yeah, these are solid. I like them a lot. All the reviews are good. So no complaints here, at least not yet. So, yeah. So that's it for that. I guess I'm gonna call it there. So if anything, I might look at the coolers, but we'll see how the day goes after I clean this up. So thanks for watching. Peace.